Make money on YouTube without recording any video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without recording any videos or recording voice or showing your face, guys. It's a simple method that you can make money, passive income actually on YouTube. So on here, you're going to create a cash cow YouTube channels. Cash cow YouTube channels are only purpose is to make money from YouTube. That including channels making top 10 videos, gaming, cooking, something like that, guys. So these are the 11 examples, some of the 11 examples of cash cow channels that include cooking, pet, walking, technology, life hack, that is a 5 minute channels, meditation, celebrity, travel, finance, top 10, and motivations. So if you want to create a cash cow channels, one thing you need to understand is there's a lots of people already doing that. So you need to beat their oversaturation. How you can do that? First, pick a niche, whatever the niche. I already show you 11, or you can pick any niche that you are interested in. Even you are not interested in, pick a niche and narrow it down to one specific topic that have a low competitions, or a narrow down that people are searching for it, but not many people are making video about it. So you need to pick a niche and you need to find a narrow down in a specific topic or category under that niche. I'm going to show you in a minute, guys. Then you need to differentiate your video by adding graphics. You can do voiceover, or you can do, if you are good at editing, you can edit in a different style. So you need to make it a little bit different from others, so you can get you can keep the viewers attention. If they like, they will subscribe, and you can create channels. Again, third one is the same thing. You need to have a good thumbnail, title, and description. If you are targeting a specific topic, you put that word on the title, thumbnail, and description so people can see it, they can click on your video. And the fourth and important thing, if you do the first three things, but if you don't do the fourth thing, you're never going to succeed, guys, which is consistency. You need to upload video in a consistency or in a follow, guys. When what you have to do, you can upload one video every day or every other day or 2 times a week, once time a week, but you need to upload every single you need to upload video in consistency, so the YouTube can promote your YouTube channels to lots of other people. There are lots of engagement, bring you lots of views and subscribers, guys. Now I will take you through the entire step and my proof. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving, so watch the video until the end. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the 10 pound giveaway, so watch the video until the end. For this video, I'm gonna target motivations. If I search motivation, that you can see here, lots of people are making motivation videos, and this is the big channels are doing here. But if you see in a VidIQ score here, the search volume is high, millions of people searching every single month, but competition is also very high. That means even though have a search volume is good, but if the competition is very high, that you can't beat the competition here, because you can't rank the first page of YouTube. If you want the detailed data, go to TubeBuddy, that you can see about 7.12 million people are searching per month. So search volume is excellent, but competition for that keyword motivation is very high, so you can ranking on first page of YouTube. But what you have to do, you need to narrow it down on under the motivation to find any specific topic that you want to make a video about it. So when you make a specific videos, when you target a specific keyword under the motivations, then you can get initial views and subscribers. Then you can expand your videos or into other keywords, guys. For example, I just went to Google and type motivation related associated words. So there's an article that people wrote about 21 powerful words that will give you more life motivations or associate with motivation, like a goal. So goals is under the motivations, the challenge, too, the determination, laughter, and freedom. So you can find a specific topic under those a specific niche by searching on Google, guys. So here I'm going to target determination. So what I did, I went to YouTube and typed determination motivation and find these videos. Here what you have to do, you need to find a video that have more views than their subscribers. Leave these channels because they have a big subscribers, they have an initial boost, so then the video can automatically go, they will hit the algorithm and they can get more views. So don't leave this one. But this video is this channels have around 2.3 about 2,000 subscribers, but you can look at the views at 12,000 views, which is also this video ranking on the first in that word keyword for determination and motivation. And if I come down to TubeBuddy score here, that you can see search volume is low, but competition is good, guys, that you can make good videos. Yeah, you can see around 2,400 people are searching for that keyword every single month. So if you made a video on that, and if we differentiate that video from others, then you can get initial views, guys. So if I open this video here and I show you what they did is basically, when I open that, you can see this channel is monetized. Ad is playing on that video. So let's play the ad and skip the ad here and see what they did. The stock videos uploaded and there's a subtitle for that voice is playing here. And basically what they did, they took this interviews or the videos from different speakers. Here you can see these are the speakers that are covered in this video from different sources, different videos. They cut them in a specific section where they talk about determination and combine them to make a 4-minute video uploaded here, guys. And this is the one you can do. Again, if I want to show you an example here, this is a big channel doing that. Is called Motivation Cup. They did a video about waking up early. Again, these are the speakers that talk about waking up early. Again, what they did, they went to their YouTube channels or their social media, they find the video, they talk about waking up early, they combine together, make a 35 minutes long videos, and they give the credit to that. They add the background music and they made a video, guys. Again, it won't happen with the one videos. You need to upload continuously until you get the algorithm to get more subscribers and watch them. Now you understand how these channels are working. Now I'm going to show you where you can get these motivation related contents for free, guys. Also, I'm going to show you my proof. Before that, click that like button on the bottom of the video. So first, what you do, you can go to a website like this one. Okay, you can go to Google and search royalty free motivation videos or speeches or background music. The first website is learnoutloud.com, where you can get these motivation related speeches and videos for free, guys. You can see here you can get these things for free. The second website is what I did on YouTube. I just searched for royalty free motivation speeches. There's a channels giving away these videos. You can re-upload it back, or you can edit it, or you can combine together, make one video. All you have to do is give the credit to this creator and you can use these videos, guys. It's depend on you. You have to do the research and find those videos, guys. Third thing what you can do is go to YouTube and find videos spoken by the celebrities about your specific keyword, cut them in a specific section, combined all the videos together to make one big videos. Now there's a website called Faceland Studio, where you can get this powerful inspiration music like these guys using on their videos. You can get it for free. This is royalty free motivation and inspiring background music. You can download it for free. I put the link in the description and go and check it out, guys. Now there's another source where you can get those done for you motivation videos. Is called Fearless Motivation. They have own YouTube channels and they have a website where you can get those videos here. Again, they give you this thing, YouTube free usage, music and motivation speech for your videos. What you can do, you can download these videos, cut them in pieces, use it in your videos. Again, what they tell you is you can't monetize those videos. You can use their videos to grow your YouTube channels, and then you can make money from affiliate marketing or print on demand. If you don't want, you can grow your channels, then you can upload your own content to monetize those videos. But again, if you download video from their channels or their website, you can't monetize it, but you can use it on free on your videos, but you have to give them credit where you get these videos from. Again, now I'm going to show you my proof. These are my motivation videos. I uploaded one of these channels that you are watching, because when I start these channels, I wanted to do motivation, so I upload these motivation videos here. Again, these videos are never getting more views. You can see they are more than 1 year old, but they are not getting more than 100 views. You can see, but are able to make pennies from this video. That means this method work, but when you get more views, guys, that you can get more monies. But here I didn't target these channels for motivations, it turned into personal finance channels. But again, if you target a motivation, if you create a motivation related channels, and if you upload these videos, and you can make money from it. So this is a way that you can make money on YouTube without recording any video, or making any videos, or showing your face, or recording your voice, guys. Again, won't work with one video. So what you do, keep upload video. Don't worry about the views, don't worry about subscribers or making money. Upload videos. When 1 or 2 video get algorithm and started bringing more views, that views will be converted to your subscribers. When you reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time, you can monetize your channels and you can make money from it, guys. Very simple method. Again, it would require your time and energy, but keep uploading. Don't stop with 1 or 2 video. Keep uploading video, guys. I hope you understand. When this video hit 100 like, I will do £10 giveaway. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.